Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a really special vehicle to share with you. This is the 2014 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E63 AMG 4MATIC. It's a pretty rare find. I've yet to see one of these before today. It's a really sharp vehicle. Got all the features of AMG that you would expect. That V8 bi-turbo engine. Got a white exterior and a saffron beige interior. It's got this nice wood grain accent trim throughout the vehicle. Got power memory seats. More AMG badging throughout. Sunroof. Steering wheel. And let's go ahead and hop inside. Alright, mileage is surprisingly low, only 28,102. Really great mileage for 2014. Push button ignition. And here we have our display loading up. We're currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that you have the classic analog clock there. We've got all our climate controls down here. We've got heated and ventilated seats, both driver and passenger. You've got a ton of different options for controlling transmission, handling, even the sound of the engine. You can adjust all of that right there. You can adjust how loud your exhaust is. We've got our AMG style shifter here and a command module here for making adjustments on your display. Okay, then hop out and show you the rest of the vehicle here. Definitely really sharp. So we've got our rear seats here. Our seats can fold down, just the push of a button there, in case you need a little extra storage. Alright, coming around to the back, we have our E63 Mercedes-Benz AMG badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close, and that is the 2014 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E63 AMG 4MATIC. If you're interested in learning more about this vehicle or setting up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com.